Harihi Om. Namaskar. Hi everyone, I am Baba Saheb Jagtap. I welcome you all to my channel Yoga 360 Journey. It is yoga in all dimensions and all paths. Now, we all are friends in this journey. Thanks for watching part 1 to part 28. If you have missed it, then click on the link given in description below. My humble request, if you find these parts helpful and research based, please do subscribe to my channel. In part 28, we had discussed about pranayamas, Bhastrika, Anulom Vilom, 4 count breathing, 7 count breathing in proportion, and 1:4:1:1. Before proceeding, please watch part 9 for do's and don'ts and part 26 for journey to pranayamas, preparation, and part 24 for 3 bandhas. Let us begin part 29. Our next topic is pranayama continued with Surya Bheda pranayama and Chandra Bheda pranayama. Watch it till end. Now start with Surya Bheda pranayama. That is vitality stimulating breath. Please see the slide. Hatha Yoga defined it as asane sukhade yogi badhva chaivasanam tatah dakshanadhya samakrishyam Bahisthan Pavanam Shanai. Hatha Yoga Pradipika 2.48. Sitting comfortably, the yogi should become fixed in his posture and slowly breathe the air in through the right nostril. Akashe Akeshadana Khayacha Nirodha Buddhi Kumbhayeta Tatah Shanai Savyanadya Rechayeta Pavanam Shanai. Hatha Yoga 2.49. Hold in until the breath diffuses to the roots of the hair and lips of the nails. Then slowly exhale through left nostril. Kapala Shodhanam Vata Dosha Gnam Krumi Dosha Rita Puna Puna Ridam Karya Surya Bheda Uttamam. Hatha Yoga Pradipika 2.50. Surya Bheda is excellent for purifying the kapal, forehead, destroying imbalances of the wind, dosha, that is air, and eliminating worms. It should be done again and again. Surya is the sun and it also refers to Pingala Nadi. Bheda means to pierce. Surya Bheda pierces Pingala and activates Prana Shakti in this Nadi. Please watch it carefully. Let us practice. Sit in a meditative pose. Inhale slowly and deeply from the right nostril. Fill up to your lungs up to your maximum capacity. Hold in till you are comfortable. Then open the left nostril and exhale slowly. This is 1 round. So let us practice 1 round. release and relax. This is one round. Lastly, I ended with holding out Bandha. Now next, do 15 rounds of this Surya Bhedasana. Inhale with right nostril and exhale with left nostril. Continue this. At the end of Abhyas, inhale and hold in by Jalandhara Bandha or Tribandha. In the practice of Surya Bheda Pranayama, inhalation is done through right nostril, activating Pingala Nadi. Exhalation through the left. Pingala Nadi removes dullness from the body and mind, and the heat produced through the practices burns up. Impurities include increasing your heart rate and breathing ability, improving your eyesight and slowing down processes like digestion. The Gheranda Sahita says Surya Bheda prevents old age and death, increases the body heat and awakens Kundalini. During cold season, it will help in balancing the body temperatures. Precautions. The eyes, temples, eyebrows, skin on the forehead should remain completely passive and relaxed. It should not be performed if you are suffering from fever, as it increases the heat in the body. It should not be done during the hot summer. During hot summer, Chandra Bheda Pranayama is beneficial. Now let us learn 9th Pranayama, that is Chandra Bheda Pranayama. Cooling of body like moon. When Surya Bheda Pranayama is practiced in reverse manner, inhaling through left nostril and exhaling through the right, it activates Ida Nadi, is also known as Chandra Bheda Pranayama. Please watch the difference. We will practice this. Sit in a meditate pose. Inhale slowly and deeply from the left nostril. Fill up your lungs to the maximum capacity. Hold in till you are comfortable with the right. Open the right nostril and exhale slowly. This is one round. Now let us practice Chandra Bheda Pranayama. This way, you do 10 rounds. At the end of your this Chandra Bheda study, you have to do Tribandha. At the end, inhale, exhale out by Jalandhar Bandha or Tribandha. Please see the slide. Benefits. It cools the body and reduces the body heat. It is beneficial in case of mental tension, agitation. For precaution, it should not be done during cold winter. During winter, Surya Bheda Pranayama is beneficial. If Ida is awakened, the mind can introvert completely and the body will become lethargic. Chandra Surya Sama Abhyasam ये कुर्वन्ति सदा नरः अतीतानागत ज्ञानं तेषां हस्तगतं भवेत्. Shiva Suroday 6. One acquires knowledge of past, present when he practices thoroughly the moon and the sun swaras. Vame cha amruta rupa syajya jagadapyayanam param dakshine chara bhagena जगद उत्पादयेत सदा. शिव सूर्योदय 56. The left nadi ida or moon is nectar like. Nectar means amruta swarupa and supports the entire world. The right nadi sun or pingala always creates the entire world. This is the importance of study of these two pranayamas. If you like my concept, please do subscribe to this channel and share the link in your groups. Press like button, push bell icon so that you will get notification of latest videos. Motivate me in my endeavor. We do lot of research and practice and devotion for each video. Mind it. We'll meet you in another video as part 30. Pranayama continued with Ujjayi Pranayama, Bhramari Pranayama, Shitali Pranayama and Shitakari Pranayama. If you are not subscribed till now, just click on subscribe button as your contribution to promote yoga. It is going to be very informative and useful. आपका प्यार ही सर्वोपरि है. हरिओम. हैव अ गुड डे.